Hello everyone, my name is Piyush and my roll number is 2510 In this video, I'll demonstrate my implementation of 9.2D task which focuses on developing a user interface and integrating it with the database using embedded SQL. The main objective of the task is to design a form that allows users to insert his records in the database while ensuring proper validation and error handling. Before demonstrating my implementation, I would like to briefly explain the concept. The user interface or a GUI is the form that allows the user to interact with the system. In this form, the user will insert his data such as user ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, etc. It will be stored inside the database and backend. The real-world application this combines allows users to input data through forms which is processed in the backend and stored in the database securely for further use. In this task, I have used various technologies such as I have used XAMPP, which, as you can see, it is a local server environment which includes Apache and MySQL. PHP was also used as a server-side scripting language. Server-side scripting language, as you can see here, I have used for PHP MySQL as a server-side scripting language to handle data, form, and execute queries. And HTML, CSS languages I have also used to design the user interface which is shown on the screen. Here are the codes of both the HTML and the PHP scripts which I have written. Now I'll currently show the current state of the database before inserting the record. As you can see, I have currently inserted some tables uh, here, customer table which I have taken from my previous 7.2D task, and here are the records which I have inserted in the customer table, and let's add some new records in that table. Our system not only checks for or insert Our system not only inserts records in a database, but also checks for any error and validates that the inserted data inside the database is correct. Like if I add something here, I've left the last name as empty. It will show an error that email has been duplicated. As you can, I have already added my Chitkara email, and it will also throw the error that the column is also empty. So firstly we'll change the email. It shows the email error because there that email is unique. So I've inserted a random email and now customer data has been added successfully. Here it doesn't show any error for null value because last name can be null. Have not added an exception for last name, and here you can see that it has added my record in the customer table. After refresh, you can see that the new records has been successfully added in the table. This shows that our system is working correctly. And now I'm going to explain my code briefly. Here I've created HTML form, a HTML code which is used to collect user input, while PHP script which I have created here handle the server-side processing. The PHP code includes a validate logic to check for empty values and incorrect formatting before including the SQL insert query. Like, as you can see it is a format. This ensures that only valid data is stored in the database. In, in conclusion, this task helped me to understand how to integrate a user interface with a database using SQL, embedded SQL. It also enhanced my understanding of validating and handling a real-world data applications. Thank you.